guys, my name is David. You might remember me from last year, how to draw a puppet, but they were not drawing. They were doing how to make paper airplane. So this year is 2023, and we're making an airplane. First of all, you get a paper, make it sideways, and fold it up, and make sure each side is the same way. After you fold it up, wrap the other side, like a Valentine card. But today's a paper airplane. So right now, we're gonna fold this up. We're gonna fold one corner and make it in between the lines. Then we do the same thing on the other hand. After that, we flip it over and make it at the same way we did it first. And after that, fold it to one side. Same thing with the other side. The same 3 times. And done. Your paper airplane done. Now please don't forget to subscribe a new video how to make stuff and draw on 2023. Goodbye. See you next year.